Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am creating this eyeshadow look using some neutral warmer tones and some cooler gray tones. I am a sucker for cool eyeshadow looks. I love the way they look, but there are places on my eyes where I just can't put those cooler tones. It ends up looking patchy, it ends up looking messy, and it ends up making my eyes look a little bit more deep set. So I've come up with this eyeshadow look and also placements of where to put your cooler tones, your gray tones, even your bright tones for deep set aging mature eyes. So if you guys would like to see how I created this eyeshadow look, then just keep watching. I'm gonna start off with the cooler tones. This is Taupe It Up. I'm gonna go in with this grayish tone and my Mud 800S brush. I want to keep the cooler tone closer to the crease. I don't want it really high up on my brow bone because I find that cooler tones tend to get a little bit patchy up there. So I'm just popping, you can see the brush hugging the crease there, and I'm just popping the cooler tone in the outer corner crease area. So that cool tone is playing nicely with the bronzer underneath the eye and also the blue in my eyes. Now I'm going to go into the warm shade of the Nothing Compares to Nude palette, and I'm going to go higher up on the brow bone and just blend these two tones together up along my brow bone. I just find that the higher up I go on my brow bone, the less I like any kind of cool tones. It just doesn't vibe with my eye well, but I will stick those cool tones into the crease. I'm going back in with the cooler tone, the gray, because it's just an art of kind of blending the two tones together to get the right blend and the right colors that you want. You can always just keep working at your eyeshadow look. Once you place a tone down, you can go in again over it, blend whatever you need to blend on top of it or under it. All right, to get the right shape that I wanted, I did where I hold my brush vertically and just kind of etch along the shape of my eye. So I've gone back and forth a few times between the cool tones and the warm tones to get the shape that I want and the blend that I want between both tones on my eye. Now that I've got my crease figured out, I'm going in with this kind of purpley taupe gray color, and this is going to go on the outer part of my lid. So I'm going to keep the cooler tones closer to the crease and closer to the outer corner. Now I'm going to go in with another flat brush and the warm cream color from this palette, and I messed up my mirror. And then I'm going to go on the inner corner with this. So I'm keeping my warmth on the inner part of my eye and the cooler tones to the outer part. Even take a dome brush and just go into the gray foiled color and just pop that right on the outer corner. Going into the slate one now just for a little bit more depth. Just pat that on the outer part of the lid. We want some sparkle on the inner part of the eye. I'm just going to go in with my finger and put this right in the inner corner. I'm going to take an angled brush and go in with the bronze tone, and I'm going to use that underneath the eye because that is a warmer color and that is what I am keeping underneath the eye is the warmth. Just kind of buff it out with that taupe color. So I did some liquid liner, put on my mascara, and this is the final look. I think it turned out beautifully. The cooler colors are to the outer corner of our eye, tighter to our crease, and the warmer colors come up on the brow bone and on the inner corner of the eye to brighten up those cooler tones. And I think it works wonderfully for deep set eyes. Through trial and error, this is how I figured out where cooler tones suit my eye better and where we can use the warmer tones to neutralize the natural cool tones in your deep set eyes. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys again soon.